Ofoia on guitar, next round of applause. Alika Boy Kalauli IV on bass. And then once again, my name is Weldon Kekauoha. Thank you all very much. Alright, this song written by myself and my dear friend, Brother Kai and Donna. Let's see. This song is entitled Thank You, Lord. I'll send it out to all of you. Once again, Merry Christmas, everyone. A big mahalo to Mountain Apple Company over here, working so hard, looking so busy. We'll leave you with this last song. Once again, thank you very much, and aloha. Thank you, Lord, for saving my life. I promise I'll praise your name. For you held me high when I couldn't stand. Through you my life has a plan. For you gave your life for me that day. Upon the rock on Calvary, I can't imagine but still deny you are the way, the truth, and the light. And so I thank you, Lord, for seeing me through those times when my eyes couldn't see. So I thank you, Lord, for hearing my prayer and giving me all that I need. I will try my best and do all I can, because I know only you understand. You have blessed my life and helped me through when I needed you. I can't imagine but still deny you are the way, the truth, and the light. And so I thank you, Lord, for saving my life. I promise I'll praise your name. For you held me when I couldn't stand. Jesus, now I understand. Hey, Jesus, now I understand. Hey, yes, yes, Jesus, you are the man. Jesus, you are the man.